the initial video because it's quite old now, and yeah, got so many updates that it doesn't look like that anymore. Let me grab some water. Here is some water. So let's get started. What's going on, right? So there is a problem when with the generation, and especially when I'm digging very deep holes. So let me have a look at this now. And I'm falling, and it clearly goes out of bound from the current world. So the current world is limited by the number of rings. So you can think of rings like, well, rings, I guess it's kind of self-explanatory. Let me grab my favorite painting. So that's this is how I calculate rings. So this is the center, and that's the chunk 0. Then you have 1 ring, and then 2 rings, and 3 rings, and in this case there are 4 rings. And it's not really rings, it's more like envelopes. So they are 3D rings. And the number of blocks that comes out of this, it's quite a big number, so it grows very fast. So this is how it grows. And there is 1 block at the beginning, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blocks. 9 blocks with with just 1 ring. So the formula is the number of rings plus times 2 plus 1. So right now we have 4 rings times 2 plus 1. Oh yeah, I forgot. Cubed. So that would be cubed, and this is going to be 9 cubed, which I have no idea what it does. It's 729. So we have those 729 blocks. Let me actually check something. So it's not loading blocks, and I wonder if it's well, it's not loading chunks. Wait, what? Why is it not loading the world now? Let me have a quick check at the server. Did the server fail? Bro, why are you not loading? Yeah, I guess the server failed. Let's try that again. Yo, I guess I wonder if I can make this toolbar a bit smaller. It's like taking up much of the space on the screen. What? That's how do I make it smaller? What's Microsoft's obsession with ribbon toolbars? That's like, let's make them smaller. No, there's no option. Okay. Oh, this is all the settings they have. Yeah. Yeah, not much here, and you can't make it smaller. Okay. That's it. It's taking up like one quarter or even 1/3 of this the screen area. So never mind about that. It is falling again, and pretty sure that is because can I have 3? Yeah, there are not so many options to split the screen. No, I don't need this. I need the terminal for the server. Here, let me just restart the server. And okay, we are back. I don't know what happened there. Except, yeah, there's a join request, but then it doesn't really be received. That's the join request. Join request. A new client join request, but then it didn't receive the request for the chunks. That's weird. Huh. Well, anyway. So here we are. Let's see if the chunks are loaded as we go forward. I need... Yeah, I need that. No, it cannot split a split. Okay. Well, that's a bummer. Oh, so. Okay. So you can't really split a split. Received 81 chunks. Okay, it is asking for new chunks. That's good. It means that it's loading them. And it is generating. Why is everything okay with horizontal motion? Ah, wait, could have been because the server wasn't really applying. Ah, okay, yeah, it could have made sense, actually. Yeah. So, how do I go back to? Oh no, tonight. I wonder if I should just restart it. I don't know how to go back to. Oh no, actually there are landmarks. Yeah, we can just follow the landmarks. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No! Oh no! No! I broke something. I broke a block. I didn't mean to. So where is the big hole? Oh no! 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 Don't fall! Don't fall! Where is the big hole? Maybe I should just restart. So I dug a big hole somewhere, which is in the proximity of the spawn. But I have no idea where that is, so I'm just gonna restart the client. So that's approximately over there. Okay. We're still loading in. And here we come. We're out. And there is no activity. From what I can tell. Is there a start? Oh, wait. Am I doing this wrong? So let's go and check at how this check is made. So if it's different, it just compares them. Just a comparison. So if it's different, then proceed. I don't understand how is it not able to. Just need a camera position. That's the current sector. And this is gonna sort the neighbor. Do we even need sorted neighbors? Now we don't need sorted neighbors right here, do we? Oh well, that's just for loading. But anyway. So it sorts them by the distance from the camera. Okay, that's fine. And yeah, should probably stop the generation. Well, stop the falling as soon as it realizes that the chunk we are in, it's not loaded. That would make things a bit easier. So I don't know. Not super sure. Right, but let me go through it once more. I'm gonna let it load. Okay, it's done. We're gonna fall, and it's not loading anything. I don't really understand. So we are at -15, and it should generate a neighborhood for that, which is XY. So we are at -16, 15. What are we? -15, and with an envelope of four chunks, we should reach up to -12, not smaller than that. What did I say? -11, not 12. So we should not go on the Y. Smaller than... So -4 is definitely beyond that. We should get rid of -4s. Let alone -3. Okay, that's this is not right. Okay, let it even sort. And what is it even sorting it through? Current sector. So it should be sorted against the current sector by distance. Zero -4. And then -2. Okay, they at least they are going up. Now, once we have that, we need to compute the indices of the chunks that are not in the wait. Why did it generate such a neighbor? No, that the neighbors generation is wrong. Current sector. The neighbors generation is the origin. Oh, there you go. Here's a hidden mistake. I mean, it wasn't a mistake, it was a feature, but yeah. Damn. That's what I was looking for. I knew I had this something like this in this function, but yeah. Okay. Well, that was it. Everything should work correctly now. It just wasn't taking into account the current position. Oh my god. Okie dokie, here we are. Let's see if we can load it fast enough. It's not multi-threaded, so yeah, it's a bit of a bummer. Might be multi-threaded, and yeah, I need to add that to my to-do list. Hello to-do. So where do I put that? Blocks and chunks. Multi-threaded generation. Yeah, that is that's required now. It should be feasible. I don't see why not. Hey, little boy, did you finish? Where's your console? Yeah, at some point I also want the mini console. This one is annoying, but I need UI. we can do that. So let's jump into the void and loading. Yes, it loaded all the chunks successfully, and it prioritizes the ones that are closer to you. Okay. Oh, one last thing that I forgot to put here is to awake physics when blocks are built or broken. Okay, that should do it. So that's gonna awake all right, so let me just save this. Oh, I hope I don't have too many hisses. Let me save. That might be annoying. Sorry about that. Keep it a bit distant from me. Like this. Like there. So let's save the little progress. There you go. Fix vertical chunks generation. Go. So low hanging fruits. What? Make this repeating tiles and repeating tiles. Planar occlusion. Yeah, this is something, but it's not fast. As a player, maybe this could be faster to reach. Gormadone. When you look down, so that would be on the player. Now the movement action, so this is the forward, okay. So what I need to do here is, so that's the forward vector. Wait, what? So forward, this is the moving forward. Yes, it is. And what is happening here? So we're getting the contributions for X and Z. Okay, that's correct. So X and Z is the amount. It's the amount of movement we want in that direction. But then Wait, where is this computed? No, not Y. Where is this computed? Here. Yeah, so the forward vector, so we need to know what is the current pitch of the player. How do we extract the pitch? Can I do to Euler? So I need the rotation to be, yeah, I need to extract the pitch from this matrix. How do I yeah, so let's see. I have the pitch. Yaw and world space. I need to know where when a player is looking up. The given at, or how do I know when the player is looking up or down? Because the forward vector in that case won't move the player forward. Yeah. So extract the pitch angle from mat 4. Forward Y is the vertical tilt. Aha. Okay. Quick method, just check forward.y. Which means that your horizontal, okay, yeah, that's exactly what I need. Example logical that always works. So normalize vec3. So that's the real forward? Huh, okay. I don't know, I might just give it this a go. That's a weird forward. What's going on? So that would be only forward, though. And I would need to break that into Z and X. I think that's fine. That's actually fine. And just multiply, okay. and just multiply. Let's see. And that would be real forward and that's the matrix view. And multiply that. By fz or minus fc. I guess I'll correct it on the go. Z dot x and z. Okay, I don't know. I'm just trying this out. Let's see what happens. Not expecting much, but that's how it goes when you do some random stuff. So we don't have a forward. It's a bit slower though. It's not forward. Bruh. No, it's not forward. It's not. Oh god. It's not forward. Yeah, this is not forward. Sideways is fine. But yeah. That's not even forward. Bro, that's a scam. So this is not forward. So the view, maybe the view is not a view. What is level logic? Okay, let's instead try to be a bit more specific, not specific, explicit, and let's get the forward vector. I think we do have it somewhere. We have the right vector, so that should be pretty much the same. There's a forward. Okay, so this is the forward. This is a real forward. Yeah, let's call it a real forward. No. Real forward. And it is const. Okay, that's fine. And the real forward is going to be on the z-axis. So we also want to see how much verticality we have. That's a float, and that's going to be a glm dot. Yeah, that's a dot between the real forward. Not the. Wait, I need a vec3, not a vec4. Why a vec4? Oh, because that's yeah, that's vertical. forward. So the forward and do the dot project 2, make 3, not 4. Don't need W. And this doesn't make any sense. Now we go up. That's the up vector. We do the dot project. What we really need is the absolute value for this. So that's going to be GLM ABS. So we have the verticality log info and verticality. Is that correct? Nice. And let's go back to what we were doing before. So that would be minus FZ and minus FZ. Okay. Just restore. Let's see. Let's see if the verticality, what the value of the verticality is going to be. Just so I can decide what values to hard code. So that's the verticality is what? 0? Okay. Yeah, that's correct. Let's just wait until it finishes loading its own stuff. Come on. I feel like this is just slower to print. Like print is the slower part. Okay, verticality is 0. We're going down and we approach the 1. Yeah. So at this point, this is where it starts to fall apart. When it's 0.9, it still kind of works, but it's a bit wonky. It's also slower. Yeah, it's definitely slower. I need to also normalize the vector. So it needs to be consistent, but only the forward bit of it. So once it's past 0.9, I would say we can do the switch. Okay, that sounds like a good plan. And so the verticality is that, and if verticality well, maybe I should do this. No, that's fine. Verticality, and the forward is on the Y. It's on the Y, yes. Yeah, let's start with the verticality. I didn't check. Its verticality is greater than 0.9 f. So if it's less than 0.9, we can use the regular vector. Okay, let's do like this instead. So before we do the multiplication. Otherwise, we use it like that. Real forward, and this would be adjusted forward. Yeah, let's move it into its own variable. Const glm vec 3 adjusted forward. It doesn't make it more readable, but okay. Yeah. Adjust it forward. Let me parenthesize this. That's clear. I don't know. Let's give it a. Wait. What? What's wrong with you? Oh, like 3. No, like 4. Let's try again. That was close. That was close. All right, so forward. See it works. Backwards. Now let's. Oh. Wait. What? No. Okay, it's the opposite. Okay. Well, that can be fixed. So that would be just regular. Okay. Rule number 1 of graphics programming. Flip a sign and see what happens. Okay, forward. Well, that is still forward. Yeah, this is working as expected. Good. Let's see if we are also doing this expected behavior when I look up. What happened? Looking up. Not really. Yeah. It's going. No, wait. Was that correct? So I'm going forward. Now backwards. Oh, okay. No. And that needs verticality. Okay, let's instead grab this. We'll keep the verticality, and we absolute it here. And then we use the sign times the sign of the verticality. I don't know. Let's see if it works properly. So it's going to be it's going to be a sign. Let's see if it's correct. If the sign is correct or needs to be, guess what? Flipped. So sign, let's look down, and it needs to be flipped. Okay. Let's flip this guy. Let's go. Okay, moving forward. Still forward. Still forward. Nice. Still forward. Is this even correct? Yeah, still. I know. Oh well, I mean, it's a very edge case. I wouldn't even know where. Ah, yeah, that point is just it's just going crazy. And let's see, going forward, still forward, still forward. Okay. And then we go kind of. Yeah, at that point we are really going. I don't know if this can be avoided, but yeah, when you're past, how can you detect you are looking backwards? Well, that's going to be your up vector. So if your up vector is down, that's too complicated. Let's just leave it at that. I mean, this does most of the work, so it's good. It might be might feel a bit slow. So let me see if I can actually normalize this guy. So FC, that would just be so the real forward. So that's the real forward, okay. And the verticality. And the forward. Okay, here's where it needs to be normalized, I guess. Bro, this is already like 3, so yeah, just use it straight. Forward, if the length of the forward is okay. Yeah, okay, that's actually very handy. If the length is greater than 0, then let's normalize it here. Because you can't normalize. You can't really caramelize a vector that's 0. Now that we have caramelized it, it should feel a bit smoother. This is a dumping. Okay. I guess it's fine. There we go. Now it feels good. It feels dope. Feel the dopamine. So only when you look behind. It's that's up to you. Let's go fast now. To the top of the world. Needs to be faster. And climbing. Okay, climb. Ah, nice. You should have a pretty good view from here. And that's it. Quite happy about this progress. Wait, why does it feel a bit slow to move? Oh wait, is it? Uh-oh. Is it moving at the same speed in every direction? Yeah. It should be. I mean, it would be bonkers not to. Let's remove logs now. Let's remove a bunch of logs. Yeah, mostly from the generation. Where's the chunks manager? So let's re-put these to sleep. And I think also these really don't need to keep spamming. Generate vertex, okay. Okay. Regenerate edge block. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Let's go in and see. Okay, a bit quieter now. Received chunk data, 31 kilobytes. Okay. It's getting bigger. And I guess this is a good result. We can just save the progress and keep moving. So what I wanted to do now is move to the next task, and that would be rendering, I guess. And I'm gonna put it here. Custom call both eyes. This is done. And let's just add it here. Upload symbols to horizon. I don't know, should I call horizon? To meta. Horizon, that's fine. Upload debug symbols. Okay, so this is fine. Fix the forward. Okay, so what's the next thing? First I'm call both eyes. So the first time calling happens in the world, which is where the rendering happens. frustum. Is it it? Or maybe it's not. Is it not? It is not. Is it not? It is not. So this is only where the rendering happens, but the update and the generation happens here. So that would be frustum. Okay, this is the frustum. And let's see, frustum. I wonder if it's if there is a better way to frustum called both eyes. Let's just say frustum, or just two of them. Two frustums. That would make things quicker. And here we can loop for I 0 to 2. Let's do the eyes. Oh, by the way, how many eyes? How many eyes do we have? Projection